After we have created all the ledgers and put all of their opening balances, we will finally extract this kind of report, that is opening trial balance, from PeachTree accounting software. So I'll go to PeachTree and I'll go in the company section where I'll find the overall reports related to all the areas of the company. So I'll click on reports, and to extract trial balance report, basically I'll go to journal ledger and then click on journal ledger trial balance. So you can notice that the debit and credit is 5478539. That is exactly what shows in our assignment as an opening trial balance for the totals. Now this trial balance is as of 31st January 2020. So basically right now we have only entered transaction for the opening balances, but later on when more transactions are added to the system, it will add up in trial balance and change the totals. After that, if you want to extract the opening trial balance, so I'll go to options and I'll select the specific date, and then you can write here as of 1st of January 2020 and then click OK. So in this way it will show you only the transactions or trial balance position for 1st of January 2020. So I'll attach this report for your reference with this video. So you have to make sure that this total of each individual ledger matches with your assignment. Only then we can trust the total balances and move forward. So that's how we extract trial balance report in PeachTree.